Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem 1 in exercise 4.4 quadratic equations. The problem is find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, find them. So here the first question is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So here we have to find the nature of the roots. So nature of the roots can be easily calculated by using the formula b square minus 4ac. So in this quadratic equation, here the coefficient of x square is a and x is b and finally the constant is c. So first write down the values a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3. It is compulsory to write the numbers along with their signs. Right? So the value of b is minus 3 and c is 5. So when you substitute these values in the formula, what is the value of b? It is minus 3. Therefore minus 3 whole square minus 4 into the value of a is 2 and the value of c is 5. So when you simplify, minus 3 whole square becomes 9 and 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So here you see we have a minus sign. And okay, I believe you people know the basic sign conceptions, right? So these two numbers have a positive sign, whereas here there is a minus sign. So plus into plus is always plus and plus into minus becomes minus. So 9 minus 40, here the answer is minus 36. So this value is less than 0. So therefore, you see real root does not exist. Whenever the value of this b square minus 4ac is a negative number, then it is a concept, right? Real roots will never exist for that quadratic equation. Now we move with our second problem. The problem is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So again write down the values of a, b and c. The value of a is 3 and b is minus 4 root 3 and the value of c is 4. So b square minus 4ac is given by what is the value of b? It is minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4ac. Therefore 4 into 3 into 4 divided by 2a. So 2 times of 3. Again when you solve, you see 4 square is 16 and what is root 3 whole square? Root 3 whole square is nothing but root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 gives the answer as 3. Therefore 4 4s are 16. So 16 into 3, the answer is 48. And again minus, whenever a minus is squared, it will give a positive number. So here we have plus 48. And this minus here, again when you multiply, 4 4s are 16 and 16 into 3 is again 48 divided by 2 3s are 6. So 48 minus 48, here the answer is 0. So the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what does this tells us? So whenever this value is equal to 0, here we have two roots which are real and identical. So how to find the value of roots? It is given by minus b by 2a. How comes the formula here as minus b by 2a? Because the entire formula here is x is given by minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula to find the roots. But here this entire term value is equal to 0. So what about the remaining terms? The remaining terms are minus b by 2a. That's why here we are writing the value of x is minus b by 2a. Now just substitute the values of b and a here. So minus into minus gives plus. Therefore here it is 4 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. Again I am splitting this 3 as root 3 into root 3. Now when you cancel, you see root 3 they get cancelled and this 2 and 4 they get cancelled by 2 times. So here the final answer is 2 by root 3. Therefore the value of the roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Right. Now the third part is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. And here the value of a is 2 and b is minus 6 and c is 3. So what is the value of b square minus 4ac? So minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So when you simplify, here it is 36 minus 24 which is equal to 12. So What about this? It is a positive number, or we can say b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So whenever the value is greater than 0, it indirectly tells us that this quadratic equation has real and distinct roots. Okay, distinct is nothing but different roots. So the formula is again x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here just substitute the values. The value of b is minus 6. So minus of minus 6 plus or minus b square minus 4ac is given as 12. So here it is 12 divided by 2a, 2 into 2. So here we have 6 plus or minus square root of 12 by 4, and we can split this 12 and we can write this as 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. That is 4 3s are 12. So here 2 into 2 into 3, and square root of this 4 is nothing but 2. So again I am splitting each and every term in order to get a simplified answer. So 6 can be written as 3 into 2, and here this 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square into 3 divided by 2 into 2. So square root of 2 square is simply 2. And here I am having a 2, here also I have 2, and here also I have 2. So in the numerator part, I am taking the 2 commonly outside. So when you take 2 outside, the remaining terms are 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2 into 2. Now this 2 and 2 they get cancelled, and finally here we have the roots. Okay, that is 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. So the value of roots are 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. So that's all. Problem 1 gets over here. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.